Heyo! Today we're going to be making some Meyer lemon curd. I've still got a bunch of Meyer lemons on the tree, and so let's make something happen. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see how we did. It's pretty good. You know, I'm not a big sweets guy, but I could get down with this. It's sweet, but also a little tart, which I'm definitely into. Mix it in with a little bit of yogurt, maybe like some berries. I think this one's worth keeping in the repertoire. I do think I need to refine some things. The recipe said you've got to get it up to 170. I was maybe at about 165, 168, and it seemed to be tough to get it up to temp. Also, I don't think I was using a tempered glass bowl, so if you're doing it, make sure you do that. Use that because this can happen. Ooh, yeah. I noticed my bowl started cracking when I went up to high, where I think you probably want to start low and work your way up. I can't remember where we got these bowls, to be honest. This was my first time doing this recipe, but I did notice there were some other ways to go about it, so I may need to go back to the drawing board and explore some of those. I do like the simple ingredient list, and it really didn't take too many steps to get through this one. And it did remind me of making hollandaise sauce. And I swear I used one of these bowls before, so I don't know what happened there. Either way, I hope you learn from my mistakes and hopefully get out there and try a recipe that looks good to you. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.